Good evening! Hello, hello to all the fans, to our family and friends in the industry, to our bosses, lahat na nandito to show your support. Maraming maraming salamat. It means the world to us. Actually, kinakabang-kaba po ako ilang araw na, and kanina, gumising ako, sobrang kinakabahan. But then after siguro makita lahat, mas excitement din nafe-feel ko ngayon. Because like what Direk Cathy said, ang mapapangako lang namin sa inyo, sa pelikulang to, puso yung binigay namin. So I hope after you watch this film, yun yung maramdaman nyo. Hindi lang kay Joy at kay Ethan, pero sa buong pelikula. Lahat na nangyayari ngayon, sobra po kaming overwhelmed sa support na binibigay nyo. And we all did our part. So ngayon, we lift everything to Him. So let's all pray for the movie. We need all the prayers. We need all the support. Thank you for being here sa lahat ng mga kapuso, kapamilya, lahat nagsama-sama for tonight. And please enjoy the movie. Thank you.